Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are just hanging out at our local Fry's and I really wanted some ice cream. And I saw right here, Bluebell has an oatmeal cream pie ice cream flavor. Well, guess what? It's $9.49. So I found it in a pint for $4.49. But then if you look right under it, Little Debbie's has oatmeal cream pie ice cream for only $2.99 and Nutty bar ice cream, and I already know this is going to be the best one, cosmic brownie ice cream. So if you guessed it, me and Zena are going to get all three and probably go home and eat all three. So we'll see you at home. We are ready. What's wrong? What happened? Did you just have a little hail ball? Did you just have a little hail ball? Time to try the might queen. Are you okay? Are you okay? Okay, we're gonna try what I think is gonna be the worst one first. So this is made by Huntsonville Ice Cream. So Little Debbie Nutty Bar Ice Cream, 1 pint. Like I said, these were only $2.99. At Walmart, they're $2.50, and at Safeway, they're $3.59. So I really don't think it's super expensive. I mean, obviously, it would still be a better deal if you could get like a huge container, but that's fine. Now, I want to look at this. So the ingredients are milk, cream, sugar, corn syrup, roasted peanuts, powdered sugar, skim milk whey, peanut oil, waffle cone pieces, wheat flour, sugar, soybeans, soy lecithin, coconut oil, cocoa pressed, blah, 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 salt, blah, 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 blah. So that's the interesting thing, because Nutty Bars aren't even an ingredient. So I assume it's just supposed to taste like Nutty Bars, even though Nutty Bars aren't in it. Our family-owned brands, Little Debbie and Huntsonville, crafted this delicious Nutty Bars inspired ice cream to make special moments even sweeter. So let's try it. One thing is, I don't really know what this might mean, but it's like lighter than other ice creams, like weight-wise. Doesn't feel as heavy. There it is. It just looks like a pale chocolate ice cream with some swirls. That is good. I can't really tell. I think it's supposed to be like vanilla ice cream. Is that good? Yeah, I think that it is. Come here. I think it's vanilla ice cream. And parts of it just look a little darker than like a normal vanilla. But it tastes really good. Honestly, I don't like Nutty Bars. To me, it doesn't really taste like a Nutty Bar. I mean, this just tastes like really creamy vanilla ice cream with chocolate covered waffle cone pieces. Really? 3 servings per container? Who's only going to eat a third of this? It's really, really good. Now this has 280 calories per serving, 115 milligrams of sodium, 16 grams of sugar, 5 grams of protein. I mean, overall, that's pretty good. Doesn't taste like a Nutter bar, however. A Nutty bar. I mean, I don't know. I don't think it does. Xena liked it though. Now let's try oatmeal cream pie. Oh my gosh. These things are like my childhood. I could eat a whole box of oatmeal cream pies. Okay, so this one, our family-owned brands Little Debbie and Huntsville crafted this oatmeal cream pie inspired ice cream. See, I'm not really a fan of how it's like inspired. Like, I want there to be actual chunks of oatmeal cream pie in this. Now this one has 220 calories per serving, so this is significantly less calories than the Nutty Bar one. This one has more sugar, less sodium, and less protein. Ooh, that's really soft. I'm getting Cold Stone sweet cream. So there was the first chewy bit. Okay, that part tasted like it. But you can see there's like no, hardly any chunks. That's what the chunk looks like. Again, I'm not, getting what they're... Like I said, it tastes like Cold Stone sweet cream, but I'm really not getting oatmeal cream pie. It does slightly remind me of like the filling, but there's not nearly as much like chewy bits as there is like the creamy ice cream base. Now, I'm not actually sure. I mean, I don't think they would call it an oatmeal cream pie without oatmeal in it, but there's no oatmeal listed in these ingredients. It's milk, sugar, cream, corn syrup, skim milk, wheat flour, whey egg, brown sugar, high fructose corn syrup, butter, modified cornstarch, titanium dioxide, mono and diglycerides, cornstarch, caramel color, salt, cellulose gum, natural and artificial flavors, molasses, soy lecithin, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg gum, guar gum, and annatto. I don't know. I guess I was just expecting like a big chunk of Little Debbie. I'm not really sure what the chunks are supposed to taste like other than like brown sugar clumps. They are nice and chewy though, but just don't really remind me of oatmeal. Now for the Cosmic Brownie ice cream. I really think that this one is going to be the best. Again, Cosmic Brownie's inspired ice cream. Now this one has 230 calories, which is only 10 more calories than the oatmeal cream pie. Has 85 milligrams of sodium, 4 grams of protein, 22 grams of sugar. So less sugar than the oatmeal cream pie. Ingredients are milk, cream, sugar, corn syrup, skim milk, rainbow chips, whey, wheat flour, eggs, cocoa processed with alkali, palm oil, canola oil, cornstarch, mono and diglycerides, salt, cellulose gum, natural flavor, red 40, yellow, blah, 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 blah. And again, annatto. Okay, so it just looks like chocolate ice cream. The rainbow chips are like hard, which, I mean, that's what happens when you put a chocolate chip or whatever it is inside of ice cream, but and there's no like chewy bits or anything. It's just like basic chocolate ice cream with rainbow chocolate chips. Honestly, thought this was going to be the best, but I think it could be my least favorite. I mean, so like I said, on the side of all of them, I found out it says inspired. I mean, I'm really shocked that you got Little Debbie's face, Little Debbie's logo, a picture of the Cosmic Brownie, a picture of the oatmeal cream pies, a picture of the Nutty bars, and those products aren't actually in the ice cream. I mean, it's good ice cream. They all taste good, but it's not giving what I thought it was going to give. Like I said, this should just be called chocolate waffle cone. That's what it is. This should be called sweet cream with brown sugar, because that's what it tastes like. And then this one, I mean, should just be called rainbow chip chocolate ice cream. I mean, there's nothing special about the ice cream itself. I mean, I've had many different brownie ice creams that actually have brownies in them. So I'm kind of shook that it doesn't have brownies in it, but we tried them. Will I buy them again? If they ever go on sale, I would buy them again. Or if I knew someone that wanted to try them, I would buy them again. Overall, what? No way. You want more ice cream? You want more ice cream? You want another bite? So, do you want the oatmeal cream pie ice cream? Ooh, yeah, that is the weirdest. But it does not taste like oatmeal cream pie. No, it does not. Overall, this little taste test went backwards. My favorite flavor is the Nutty Bars. Second favorite is oatmeal cream pie. Least favorite is Cosmic Brownie ice cream. Now, again, they're okay ice cream. They taste good, but they don't have Little Debbie's inside of them. They just have ingredients inside of them. I mean, the Nutty Bars ice cream one is delicious, but it does not taste like a Nutty Bar. I mean, maybe I haven't had one in a long time, but to me it does not taste like a Nutty Bar. The oatmeal cream pie doesn't really taste like an oatmeal cream pie. The Cosmic Brownies just taste like chocolate ice cream with hard sprinkles in it. I mean, it does not taste like a Cosmic Brownie at all. So, overall, I mean, they're not super expensive, so it's kind of like fun to try them, but will I buy them again? Probably not. Do I think maybe you should possibly think about maybe buying them once? I mean, yeah, it's fun. I like to try new foods. I like to test out new products. So I definitely think you should try them out, see if you like them, see if maybe they reminisce with you differently. But to me, they're just okay. They weren't like amazing, but you live and you learn, right? Well, if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one. Bye. Say bye. Say like and subscribe. No way. What? Did you like those? Did you like the ice cream? Did you like it? Which one was the best one? Was it this one or this one? Nutty Balls? Nutty Balls was the best, yeah. Yeah, I know. I know. Yeah. They bye.